In this video, I'm gonna show you everything there is in the new Grow a Garden update. So this is gonna be basically a showcase, a walkthrough of every single thing you may have missed in the new update that just got released today. So make sure you watch till the end of this video. There's definitely gonna be some things you didn't know just got added. Now, let's start with the first thing. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually start with the seed shop over here because, oh boy, we've got a new seed. At the very bottom over here, there's now a mushroom seed. Now, this wasn't here before, as you can see. It's now the grape seed and the mushroom seed, whereas earlier, before the update, there was only one seed marked as the vine, and it was the grape seed. But now, the mushroom seed is also here. Unfortunately, I still haven't been able to get it because you, of course, will have to get lucky, just like with the grape seed and with the other seeds, because, of course, yeah, every single time this shop will reset, you'll be able to, of course, buy some of these. And if you get lucky enough, you will, of course, get one of these more rare ones as well. And this mushroom seed is no exception. So this one is the first update. Now, the second thing we have over here, which is pretty apparent, is this dude in the middle, which is called the hungry or the angry plant. Now, as you can see, if I walk up to him, it's called the hungry plant, as I said, and he's got both a premium sack as well as the basic sack next to him. Now, what this does is basically a new event over here. So you have to talk to him, and he'll basically tell you what he wants. So it says, feed me a wet carrot that weighs at least 0.2 kilograms. So whatever it says, you want to basically feed it to him, okay? And I'll show you why this is good. And now, you basically will be able to, you'll have to feed them carrots, blueberries, strawberries, tulips, etc., even apples and stuff like that. Sometimes it's gonna require you to have them wet or maybe even gold, stuff like that. So just make sure you get what it wants, put it inside your hand, come back over here, and then just click take this plant. It will basically take a few seconds. It will eat the plant, and after that, it will give you one of these packs. Let me check if I have any of these. Pack. Yeah, it would give you those basic seed packs over here, and once you get this, let me just show you. You can then roll these through, and you have a chance to get one of the following things. So right now, I actually managed to get an eggplant right now, which is amazing because it's very rare. Let me just show you really quickly. So there we go. The free seed pack you get with every single feed to this dude will get you one of these. So the raspberry, cranberry, durian, and eggplant, and I believe there's a very, very small chance of you getting the lotus, the Venus flytrap, and the rainbow sack. But after you feed it for 50 times, basically, you will get a free premium seed pack, which is actually worth 200 Robux. And here's the percentages of what you can actually get inside that free premium seed pack. So of course, you want to make sure you feed it all the 50 items. It's going to require quite some time because sometimes it's going to take it's going to want some random fruit that you may not have. So what I would recommend is just buying as many seeds as possible and always being ready and having all the plants available. So that's the second thing over here, and then we've got yet another update, which is also amazing in my opinion. So no, it's not the quest giver. The quest giver is still the same. It is inside the gear shop. So we've got two updates over here. The first one is the trowel. So what this actually does, I have it down here. Let me just show you. This was highly requested. Everybody wanted to do this because it can move plants. Now, before that, you could only use your shovel to destroy plants, but right now, of course, you can move them as well and, of course, keep them without having to destroy them and then getting your seed again. So let me show you. For example, I'm going to use this trowel right now on one of my strawberries. You simply walk up to it, click on the strawberry, or you can just click on whatever basically plant over here you want to move, and you click on that. It's gonna basically pick up, and then you want to go to a different location like over here, click on the ground, and there we go. You've successfully moved your plant. It's literally that easy. If you don't want to do it, you can just cancel it as well. It's pretty quick and simple to use. So that's the second thing that was basically added to the game. This is, of course, going to save you a lot of time because you're not going to have to grind for a new thing after you're destroyed by mistake. So yeah, that's pretty much that. Now, the second thing, or the last thing we have that's been added in this update over here, let me show you. There we go. Is this thing which is called lightning rod. Now, what this will do is it will redirect lightning 3 times before being destroyed. You can place this inside your garden anywhere. Of course, you're going to have to get lucky to first get it because it doesn't spawn always. And after you actually get it, you can place it down and every single time the thunder will strike, you'll basically be able to get yourself the mutated crops, because thunder will mutate the crops in that area. So I believe it mutates all the crops, or if not all of them, at least the majority of them in that area. So this is also very amazing. Now, those are basically just the basic things, but of course there's some more stuff as well. So let me really quickly go over here, because we've got some new plants as well, in case you weren't able to see earlier. We have the cranberry, the durian, the eggplant, we have the raspberry as well as the lotus, the Venus flytrap, and the rainbow sack. So what the rainbow sack does, basically, the rainbow sack will get you a very rare seed, and then when you place it down, when you plant it, it will basically be a guaranteed rainbow or gold, I think. So I think it's either rainbow or gold, or just rainbow. I'm not quite sure right now. However, it's going to be a very, very good plant, and of course, by planting that, you will get very, very pricey and expensive fruits you can then sell for a lot of money, or just flex in front of your friends with. So that's pretty much that. That's all for this update right now. I think that's all that was added in the game. If I forgot something, please let me know in the comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.